So what we are going to discuss right now is Google Fred algorithm or Google Fred update. Okay. I think this particular update happened somewhere around 2017, 2016, 17. Okay. February, March that month. Why I'm remembering this one to that much sensitive is because one of my website was badly affected when this Fred update was launched. Okay. I have a website named appnal.com. Okay. So this particular website, okay, what is this? I have 102 links for a particular article for appnal.com. Hmm, that's really good. Increase WhatsApp group limit has got 102 links backlinks generated, and the WhatsApp verification code has got 100 backlinks. Homepage has got 89. Oh, without taking any extra effort, I have received these many backlinks, huh? From Facebook, GHA Store, Best App Finder, IndieBlogger.in. Hmm, pretty cool. Increase WhatsApp limit. Where is the link coming from? Okay, ghsonline.org. Cool. See, I have never taken any effort to promote the content in appnal.com. Right? Never taken. Just now I'm seeing it. So there is an article GHIS online and increase WhatsApp group limit. So this is the article which we have. Okay, so in different language we can translate to English. Okay, so somebody has written an article related to this one, and they might have potentially linked to WhatsApp broadcast limit. See, okay, so answer 5 up to 256 people only. I hope it increases in the future. And that person has referred to my article, WhatsApp broadcast limit. So naturally, when we have a good quality content, people will start linking to us. That's really a good symbol. Okay, so my website appnal.com has received somewhere around the backlinks 685 backlinks. Okay, so that's really happy symbol for me because I've not at all taken an effort to build backlinks for my website appno.com. Okay, I don't even actively write content. It was done somewhere around 2 years back, but still this content are performing well, so happy to see. Okay, good. So like the things happen. So if you look into the overview report and all the stuff, so the visitors whomsoever we receive somewhere around 2 to 3 visitors, and if we look into the performance section, we can see how it's happened in last 3 months. 15,000 impressions and 238 visitors. Okay, so the Fred update, what I'm trying to say here is I think we cannot take the data because there is something called custom data. Let me try to take the custom data, the data from 2016. That's what I want to take. Mm, it may not be available because it's a pretty chunk of old data, right? So 2000. So I have data only from 2019. So I don't have from 2017. Okay. Because the site was deleted, the metrics was different. Okay, that's entirely different scenario. Okay. Now, what happens with respect to Google Fred update? Okay. One fine day, I logged into my webmaster tool and figured out that the visitors are completely lost, like Penguin algorithm update. Now, I was really pissed off. The reason because I was dependent on Google AdSense revenue. I was dependent on Google AdSense revenue, and that literally dropped off. So I was literally skeptical. Now, when I went ahead and checked out in internet, there is no official update from Google about any update. Okay, Google has not released any note on the algorithm update. So as per Google's opinion, there is no algorithm. I mean, Google has not given any official update that there is an algorithm rolled out today. But all the people are the leading people in the industry, SEO industry, right? In the SEO industry, observed a pattern of action taken. So everybody were suspicious. What happened? So 40 to 60 percentage of the websites in internet, which means in search engine results page, okay, more number of websites lost its ranking. More number of websites lost its ranking from top positions. And the biggest problem is all those websites are not on the same category or the criteria. They were of different category and different criteria. Okay, so more number of websites ranging from information site to Q&A site to whatever we call it as, but the visitors were lost. When there was a research done by the leading people in this SEO industry, okay, Search Engine Land, Search Engine Journal, okay, Neil Patel, Brian Dean, so there are lots of people who are leading in this industry. They came out with a conclusion and figured out that it is a mass update, which means like an update with the several conditions included. Number one, any website that does not add value, no value addition, no value addition, no value addition, okay, in the content, which means the content is written for namesake. Okay, so no value addition in the content. Number one. Number two, especially low quality backlinks. So this is basically the Penguin algorithm update. No value addition is nothing but the Google Panda update. Okay, so low quality backlinks. Okay, low quality backlinks, or high number of backlinks. Okay, low quality backlinks is what we can say. Okay, the website which has got low quality backlinks. Okay, websites with heavy ads, heavy ads, which means like high number of advertisements, low number of content but high number of advertisements, which means like people cannot read the content properly, but they can see only the advertisements. Okay, so heavy ads, heavy affiliate links, heavy affiliate links. Okay, so these are all the symptoms. Okay, so when Google looked at those websites who are meeting anything related to their quality, okay, those websites lost its visitors. So when these search engine people, leading search engine experts and people have figured out that there is something happened now based on the gossips that happen into the industry, then Google wants to have it clarified, and Google came out and said like per day Google is making approximately 150 to 200 changes in the algorithm, and these changes are very minor in nature and has a very minimal impact. It does not mean that Google has released 200 algorithms every day. So this is what Google has said, right? Changing the updates and algorithm is a daily activity for Google. Okay, so Google is changing the algorithm, developing the algorithm. We are researching, applying something towards a better result, and we are doing a daily activity on daily basis. So this is normal. This is nothing new. If your websites are losing, ranking, there is no specific update that is from Google, but Google will always make an update related to the quality. Is what the statement given by one of the representative from Google, and the person who gave this update, the person who released this update, the person who released this update was named Fred. Fred, F-R-E-D. So Fred is the person from Google who officially announced this one to the people that hey, you know what? We generally make approximately 150 to 200 updates every day, which is minimal and minor. And if that is affecting your performance, then obviously then your website is supposed to improve. That's it. So it was an open statement. There is no very specific reason. So people in this SEO and digital industry, they have named this update that happened in the month of March, April as Fred update. because the information was conveyed to the people by Mr. Fred from Google. So this update is called Fred update. Hence, it is called as Fred. Okay, so there is nothing to recover from Fred update. Make sure that you write a quality content, unique content, share your content to the right platforms, and people will link to your articles as usual. Okay, so like this, things will automatically happen. If at all, if you are concentrating only on advertisement, then Google is not the right platform. If you are planning to sell products using affiliate link, again Google is not the right platform. Okay, so this is basically called a Google Fred update. Okay, so we have seen three different algorithms till now. So one is Google Panda update, which is highly concentrating on quality of the content. Google Penguin algorithm, which is concentrating more on quality of the backlinks. And the third one is the Google Flood update. And if you want to recover from Google Flood update, okay, make sure that you update your quality content. You update your, you know, don't worry about low quality backlinks because Google has recently, not taking or considering a low quality backlinks for ranking signals. Okay, make sure that your website has got low advertisements. It is not bombarded with ads. Okay, don't have, for every text, don't have affiliate link. Amazon and Flipkart's affiliate links are bombarded with your content so that people will every time they look they are taken to affiliate link. Okay, let's not do that. Okay, that's more than sufficient. End of the day, what we need to decide is make sure that you are maintaining a very good experience, okay, with the people. Okay, make sure you are maintaining a very good experience with the people, so people has got a wonderful experience on using your website's interface, and that's the deal. Okay, that's what is expected from anything that you do on your website for Google. Wonderful.